And now we are going to head to PE. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing yet, but we're going to head outside. So grab your water bottle if you have it, and let's head out. Okay, class, keep following me and stay in the single file line, please. Thank you. Hey, you guys are talking a little too much. I need you to calm down. Shh. Inside voices, please.
Follow outside.
Well, I still want you to be quiet because it's annoying, okay? So keep following me. We're almost there. Okay, class, so we are here at the spot. We just need to wait for Mr. Stanley to get here. He's going to be our PE teacher, and looks like there's some birds. Let me deal with this. Excuse me, you should not be on this property. Shoot, get out of here. Stop. Class, never chase birds. I'm only doing it because I'm an adult, I'm your teacher, I am in charge here, and I know how dangerous they can be, so never do it. Okay, class, I see Mr. Stanley on his way, so put all your water bottles by the tree, please. Thank you.
Hello guys.
Hello.
I'm Mr. Stanley. I'll be your PE teacher.
Everybody say hi to Mr. Stanley.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay, I got your email of what you want to do with the class, and I made a few modifications, so here's the updated list.
Alright. What? This isn't high school.
Well, I just figured since the class is growing up, they need plenty of exercise.
Okay. Did anyone even bring water?
Yeah, it's right under the tree.
3 bottles for the whole class?
I told them to pack their water. Well, I don't have time to waste. I need my prep time, so let's just get started.
Okay. We're gonna start with 100 jumping jacks, 50 push-ups, and 200 sit-ups. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, keep it going. 11, 98, 99, 100. Alright, last 16 laps around the whole field. Anybody who doesn't finish in 10 minutes is doing burpees. Ready? Go! Alright, hurry up. Jog it in. Alright, get some water. Next, we're going to be playing some sports since miraculously you guys finished in 8 minutes. We're going to start with dodgeball. You guys are going to line up, and if I miss throwing the ball at you, you take my spot. I'm going to hit you guys. How's it feel?
Ooh, I see. Are we doing a little game of discipline the kids because they didn't do their laps?
No, it's actually just for fun because they did their laps.
Oh, well, make sure you hit that one. His name's Silver.
The blue shirt?
Yeah.
Stay still, blue. Wow, I'm undefeated at this. I'm a champ.
Ow.
Mr. Stanley,
Yeah?
I'm thinking maybe you should use one that weighs a little more.
Oh, okay. Probably kick this thing.
Nice hit. Oh, headshot. Whoa, headshot. That's how it
that was
was. Nice
nice.
one. Oh my goodness, that one hit his head so hard it rebounded over the fence.
I
Maybe
know.
use that one.
Yeah, these kids have taken a beating today, so let's
They're
just do
pretty
a few more.
Yeah. Okay, guys, just a few more rounds, then we'll be done. Ooh, nice shot.
Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Sally, are you okay? Well, I think that's probably enough, Mr. Stanley. Thank you very much. I think this was a very good experience for the kids, especially first day of school.
Yeah.
Okay, class, keep following me. Single file line. Everyone got their waters, right? Okay, I mean, there were only 3, but okay, good. I know you guys are tired, but you have to keep walking, okay? We're almost back to the class. You really need water right now?
Yeah, I'm so thirsty.
Fine, right there. Okay, everyone keep walking. We're almost to the gate. Wilbur, are you picking mushrooms again? What did I say about that? Okay, that's what I thought. Please get back in line. Oh, and also, come pick up this litter. And this. Class, as I taught you earlier, you always pick up a piece of trash when you walk by it. Take care of the earth. Oh my goodness. Again, pupils, never pick mushrooms. Okay, so we're back from PE. I'm actually a little sweaty myself. I can't imagine how you guys feel. It was a little bit hot out there, but I think overall we had a great day. What do you guys think about our first day of school? I thought it was pretty good. So, well, we only have like a couple more minutes for school, so I'm gonna let you guys get out early. Yes, of course. You're welcome, yes. I'm just the best. I'm kidding. Well, yes, you can go ahead, make sure you get all your stuff, as well as the rule paper if you would like to have a look at it. I made the copies. And I also, wait, hold on just a second. I don't think I went over our school supply list, did I? Well, I guess I'm gonna have to do that right now. Well, let's take a look. Okay, I'm just gonna go over this super fast since I didn't go over it with you guys earlier. Number 1, pencil, tape, scissors, notebook, markers, color pencils, highlighter. Don't worry if I'm reading it fast. There's a bunch of copies right here. You can come up and grab them right now. Sharpie, lunch of course, thin Sharpie, pencil box, eraser, clipboard, sharpener, pencil pouch, ballpoint pen, binder, glue stick, ruler, backpack, calculator, spiral notebook, a normal notebook, Elmer's glue, and a smile, of course. And label all of your belongings with your first and last name. Thank you so much. Okay, I did that quickly. Okay, so the bell is about to ring. You guys can go ahead and get out early. I hope you guys had a great day at school, and I'll see you tomorrow for our second day. Bye, class. See you later. Okay. Oh, yes, headshot. That's how it feels. Good job.
Okay, ready? Go ahead. Oh, Alyssa, like, okay, class, it's almost time to go in. Just a few more rounds. Ready, go.
Okay.